Hello, guys. This is the fourth episode of the Kubeflow introduction course, and in this episode, I want to uh, talk about how to creating the volumes in the Kubeflow. In the previous episode, I discussed about how to create notebooks, and we created the notebooks together. But in this episode I want to talk about the volumes. Yes, I know uh, the tensor board is neglected for now, but trust me and come with me step by step. I will teach you anything you need in this course, you know. Okay, for working with Kubeflow, managing the volumes will be very crucial because when you are working in an enterprise level, uh, you need to manage the storage and have a good eye on your storage situation. So you need to learn how to manage the volumes here. Actually, working with volumes in Kubeflow is very easy. You can just think they are the Kubernetes volumes, and they have the same attribution. For example, storage class, access mode, size, created at the name and something like that. So even you have some other attribution here, and this is the yes, this corresponding YAML file. But you don't have, you cannot actually edit this YAML here because the volumes in Kubeflow are immutable. So after making, you will not be able to adjust the configuration. So you can make new volume and you can even see what's in the volume. But uh, if I click on the folder here or after making a volume, I won't be able to make this volume because in the previous episode I mentioned that as we are running the Kubeflow in HTTP mode, and the Kubeflow needs running in HTTPS mode, you need to disable the secure cookie option before doing any change in these components. So I have to come here and find the what's this? This is my Kubernetes cluster behind the scene of the Kubeflow, and this is the Kubeflow namespace. So I need to find the corresponding deployment, which is this, and I can edit this. Let's edit it. Oh, I should edit. What's that? Okay. And I want to just come here, but pay attention that we are in a Vim environment, so I have to put actually click on on and change it to false. App secure cookies. You need to change the app secure cookies to false and then scale and then WQ. So let's wait until the deployment restarts. Okay, that's it. So I think can the problem would be here. Yes, I need to refresh the page. And yes, right now I have to waiting for pulling the related image for PVC viewer, and after that you can see what's exactly in your volume actually. But for time saving, I can show you how to make new volume. If you remember, in previous episode, I discussed that you can have a data volume and put all of needed data, for example, data set, all of data sets that maybe you can use them for learning your model. Okay. So, for example, I make a volume called data sets. And let me allow for this. Yes. Okay, you can see for now the volume which was made by the Jupyter notebooks already. And this is the files and folder here. You can add new folder. You can add new file. You have setting for, let me change it. You can do a setting, share management, toolbar setting, user management. But for now, I prefer uh, do not change, do not any change in this settings. So that's just for viewing actually right now. So in Milad folder, I have nothing. You can download everything, you can upload everything, and you can change the uh, view format here. Okay, so let's come back to making a volume. You need to define a volume size, which is, hypothetical. And because the volume in size has no limitation, and you have to select the storage class, which was made in our actually second episode by NFS provisioner. So you have to define your access mode. These are the default access mode in Kubernetes. And then you can make your volume. As you see, the volume has made here dataset. And so after making the volume, for example, if I want to make a new notebooks, in this place, I can, no, actually attaching existing volume, and then the type of volume and the name is datasets, for example. And you can set it read-only if you have important datasets that you don't want to doing any changes in that, and then you will be able to make your notebooks. This was the very short actually episodes about how to creating the volumes. This was a short episode, but is very important episode. So I decided to focus on these volumes in a separate episode. Thank you for joining me in this episode, and I'm waiting for you in the next episode that is very important in our MLOps skills. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.